Rita, good morning.
Bad morning.
It is for you.
It is?
Yeah, because not specifically you, but you know, the teacher kinda was.
Oh, yeah. But anyways, good morning. I don't really have... Okay, wait. So, now you're dropping there. So, our day has already started, because well, we're making lunch. So, we have to go to the bank, my bank.
Oh, Rita, can I just say something first?
No, I'm speaking.
Because it is funny.
No, I'm speaking.
Okay, I'm sorry. Well, Rita, so.
And yeah, and because my debit card wasn't working fully well, so I had to go there, ask what was wrong, and supposedly now it's everything okay. But yeah, that was our morning. So yeah, Jean, you were going to say. Jean is making a salad.
Yeah, this lettuce has a lot of dirt in it.
That's good. Means it's organic.
Look.
That's good. It's natural.
Well, that's how we know it's really natural.
Yeah.
But I don't know how we're gonna make this.
I think there are places where they plant lettuces without soil.
How the hell do they do
I
that?
don't know, but it's like in a lab, and they're like in little trays of glass, and they're like growing. It's weird. So yeah, it's possible that they're not natural, but that one is. Joe, I really hate that part, this part.
Why?
Try-
Yeah, it's annoying. I get it.
Like, let me show you
Maybe
what
we're
we're
doing
doing.
something wrong.
This is what we're doing. These are like noodles that, like João said the other time, it's just you just need to put them in the pan with the other things and a
they're
little
already
bit of
cooked.
water. Yeah, with a little bit of water, and they will cook the rest. And last time it worked, and it's working now too. But it's so annoying because every little bit of noodle has to be like embedded in like moist, and it's not pleasant. It's not the most fun part of this. It really is not.
Monica in my life, every Rita by my side. No.
No.
What?
I hope you stop at that song.
It's really fun.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Shut up, woman. I'm making you salad. What more do you want?
salad. Yeah, for João, you have low battery.
Sorry.
So yeah, we'll have to finish this clip here. João will keep making the salad. And yeah, see you in a while.
So what are you doing, sweetie?
Killing myself.
Jesus. And what are you doing, Bentley?
You have to go lower. Oh, so cute.
What did you say?
Yeah. So, what?
You're talking to me?
That angle makes look my legs ginormous.
Ginormous. So Rita, how's everything going without, you know,
Good.
because you have a text?
I don't have a test. I just have to study.
Sweet.
No, it's not okay.
So, did my computer say anything?
No,
Oops, sorry.
no, it didn't.
Okay, so I haven't received the email of the teacher because I'm helping a colleague. Actually, the things we're going to do in the project is going to be a lot of fun to film and to put on my Instagram because we're going to paint, you know, the two walls.
Yeah, actually, that's a good idea.
And you know what's the most interesting thing?
Mm.
Perhaps we're gonna use the same old, you know, how do I explain? You know, our supposedly our calçada.
Yeah.
There is one who it's called Mar Longado, something like that. And my teacher knows the place where, you know, the base is located, and perhaps you're gonna see it, and we're gonna use it as a base, you know, to.
That's nice.
Perhaps it's gonna be really cool, you know. It would be really. So I need to continue to study. Bentley need to. Hey! What did you do? What did you do? He's a poor dog. Oh, such a poor dog. Oh, he doesn't like the phone. The phone is scary.
I'm like,
Yeah, Rita?
I can't focus my eyes in like the farthest space because I'm so focused on letters.
You want me to stop?
No, it's okay.
No, it's okay because I have to continue my studies.
And I have to continue my
Okay, then I'm gonna see you next time.
suffering.
Okay, studying, Bezzy. Send help!
Help!
Help! I need somebody. Help! Not anybody.
Help!
Help! My cutie. So, see you later.
So hello.
It's weird.
Welcome to the next day. I will
Die over there. Never. Just die.
Wait. No. So, I don't look like I have eyes, but I do have eyes.
What do you mean? Okay, because it's too dark.
So, yeah.
Okay, to my hand is weak. Okay, to my hand.
You want me to?
My hand.
Okay, so
Give me that.
I'll take the camera then. So, it was raining a lot when we...
No, it started to rain.
Yeah, it started to rain when we came out of the subway to get to Sean's house. Well, Sean was prevented by an umbrella. And there's like a new... it's not like...
Cafe?
It's
Pastry?
like... Yeah.
Pastry
No,
shop?
pastry.
Pastry
It's like a
shop.
pastry shop that's new, that open like in the way to his home, and we had never gone there, even though we had already thought that one day we should. It was raining, and we just looked inside. We saw those cakes, and we thought, cakes or rain?
The choice is easy.
Cakes. Yeah, so our stomachs saved us, because when we got our order,
That's pinky.
they can see it.
I know they can't, but it's really...
I have like the
This.
hand like this
You
to
always
support.
do. Always do. Every time you grab something, you always do.
So yeah, and when the minute we sat, we were by the window, and it started raining even more. So we thought, well, we took the right
Rita, hurry
decision.
up.
I was trying to like not stepping on the pool.
Do you want me to grab the phone?
No, it's okay. So yeah, so we were saved by our stomachs. The cakes were really good. I didn't eat a cake.
I did.
João ate a cake. I ate what we here call in Portugal God's bread.
How it's cold?
Pão de Deus.
No, outside.
I don't think it's a Portuguese thing. I mean, there must be in other places. Basically, it's like it's bread. It's bread, simple bread, like a little bit spongy, and then it's usually round and on like a bagel, but on top it has like a huge like layer of like a sweet of, and like a jam. It's not like a jam, it's harder than a jam, of coconut,
It's diamond.
and it's really sweet. And it's really sweet. And what I like to do is to eat it like with butter and cheese to make it contrast the salty
Do
with
you
the
put
sweet.
the butter on top of the bread or in?
No, it's like a sandwich,
Oh,
but it
okay.
has that sweet stuff
No, just
up
because
on it.
like when I watch you eat it and I looked closer and I thought when you said God, I even love
The butter
the butter here, and it was like, where is the butter?
inside. It's like a normal sandwich, but it has that sweet coconut stuff on top.
Sweet.
And they have like a new variety which had even more sweet stuff.
Really?
Yeah, that's
What she said.
Yeah, and I noticed it, so it was really good.
They have different, even more.
They sold me by bread.
Look, no, wait,
No,
wait,
we can't go. So yeah, that was our like sweet tooth. I don't really have much of a sweet tooth, but I have a sweet tooth.
Well,
I like really sweet things.
Yeah, but when we went there was nothing more than sweet.
Yeah, it was only like those pretty cakes like João's ate. Like there was a lot of variety, and I was saying to João, like, I want to try them all, not because of gluttony, but just because I'm curious of how they taste. Like, I'm so curious because they're so appealing to the eye.
Visually.
Yeah, they are so appealing to the eye. That, and they have like mini tarts with meringue on top. Like,
Hurry up, Peter.
yeah.